Chapter 4, Accounting for Labor Costs. The learning outcome for today's are to explain direct labor costs, indirect labor costs, timekeeping, and time booking. Labor costs incurred in manufacturing companies can be divided into direct labor costs and indirect labor costs. Direct labor cost is the cost of remuneration for employees which can be directly attributable to product or services. Therefore, direct labor costs can be identified separately in product or service costs. Examples for direct labor costs are wages paid to operators and assemblers who work in the production department, and wages paid for chef and cook in charge in the food preparation from the canteen department. On the other hand, indirect labor cost is the wage which cannot be identified with a particular product or service. Example of indirect costs are the wages paid to a supervisor, wage paid for foremen, and also wages paid for inspectors who work in the production department. In the service department, the wages paid to maintenance workers, security guards, and storekeepers can be classified as indirect labor costs. Timekeeping is the process of recording employee work time. The attendant may be recorded in any one of the following ways. 1. Daily register that requires employee to sign in and sign out based on daily basis. Number 2, clock card that require employee to record attendance by clock in and clock out based on daily basis. And number 3 is electronic swipe card by using a plastic card with microchip to record employee attendance. In contrast, time booking is to record the time spent on different job or operation in a factory. The total time in the timesheet should match the time shown in the clock card. Time booking is recorded using a timesheet, labor cost card, and operation card based on daily, weekly, or monthly basis. So it is the responsibility of timekeeping department for recording the time spent by each employee in the factory or on each job. The objective of time booking are as follows. 1. To ascertain the employee productive hour and idle time. 2. To allocate the labor hours to individual job for labor costing. 3. To calculate the remuneration, including bonus payable, if any, under the incentive scheme. 4. To calculate the overtime applicable on each job or product for overhead calculation. And 5 is to calculate the overtime applicable on each job or product for the purpose of performance. That's all for now. Thank you.